Now we're going to be check for the delete useless. Here you can find the option delete useless. So delete useless is going to be used. Delete useless is going to be used whenever you want to delete the part component from whatever we're going to be on not used. Okay, not used for creating the part body. So Katia going to be considered delete useless as it is not going to be used. Okay, so what we're going to be do, once you select this particular command, you have to be very clear, very much confident about what you want to delete. Okay, here if you find, so 13 atom is delete useless as per the Katia. Okay, as per the Katia, what is unuseful, that is not going to be used to create the part body. Okay, so here whatever the newly we have created the operations, this operation he's saying it is not useful because it not used to create this particular part body. Okay, so if you directly click OK, it will be directly get deleted. Okay, it will directly get deleted. I always recommend you can just check which are the point, which are the surfaces, which are the command we not use, so you can separately delete that. You can just cancel this and you can separately delete. For example, if you just delete this 4 to 5 commands, you can separately delete. And now you can check again with the delete useless. In tools you can find this delete useless. You can find we can use this delete useless. The command is now get list. Okay, here we have the only 9 one, and previously it was 13 somewhere. Okay, so this you can directly click OK and all the command will be get deleted within one click. So this is something like the command. We have the delete useless. Once you have click on delete and you have saved the part, this command will not become again. So be careful. If there might be a proposal, there might be a reference surfaces it might be created, so that also going to get deleted. So be very careful whenever you're thinking about delete useless. So just careful while deleting anything with respect to this. Okay, so here you can find we have seen publication as well as we have seen over here delete useless. Now we need to say check how we can add the parameters. Okay, so we need to add the parameter from the formula. Here you can find we need to add from the formula, we need to add a parameter of part thickness. So yes, consider new parameter type. Here you can check we need to select the length. Okay, and you can give over here part thickness. Okay, so you can add over here part thickness value you can add right now 2 mm, and you can click over here add formula. Once you add, click on add formula, either you can go into the length and you can find that, or you can just check over here recently rename, you can have this particular parameter. Okay, once you click here, then again you need to click OK, then again you need to apply or click OK, then only it's going to be come over here into the parameters. Okay, so I repeat over here. So whatever you need to create, if you want to create the parameter, just go to the tools, formula, click over here new. Okay, click over here onto the new, and with respect to creating the new, you need to select over here length. Okay, you need to select then length, and with respect to selecting the length, you need to change here value. Okay, you need to rename value, then you need to select over here value. Okay, so you can find if you just create select over here onto the new, it will be add over here. You need to rename this particular. Okay, once you rename, you can select the length. Okay, once you select the length, you can add the value over here. Okay, once you add the value, you need to click add formula. Once you click add formula in rename, you can find it will be get added over there. Okay, so you can select, and once you get selected, it will be comes over here. Okay, now how we can link this particular, okay, how we can link this particular. So I can just keep over here 1.5 for time being dimension, and now I just want to link to this particular thickness. Okay, so you can double click to right click edit formula, just go to that rename and click for here, or you can directly select from here and check for OK. Okay, once you click from here, you can just check the offset is directly get selected, you cannot edit that. So this is something like the parameter. Now you can check if you just click on parameter, change the value to 1, now this automatically get updated. So whenever you want to have the multiple offsets in that condition, you need to use this particular delete this particular parameter we're going to be use. Okay, so in that case what we're going to be do, we need to add over here, and there are the multiple offsets, so that all offset we can keep the same link with this parameter. Okay, so this is something like we need to do. And if you want to delete that particular, you can just go to the formula and click over here onto the erase command on the top side, and that will be get erased. Okay, so now you have the again this normal condition. Okay, but if you want to link that, I can just repeat. You can select over here, go to the right click, edit formula, select that particular parameter, click on OK. It will directly selected. Okay, so this is going to be check this particular command known as parameter to be added. Okay, so this is something like parameter we can add from the formula. Then we can check somewhere here how it's going to be do cat dua. Okay, so cat dua is nothing but the process whatever we're going to be have for our system process laptop to check clean anything we're going to be have the virus kind of thing we're going to be use over here into the part. Okay, so the Katia might be get terminated, there might be the corrupted file, it's not going to be open into the someone else file, customer file. Okay, in that case we're going to be use this particular cat dua. Cat dua is nothing but the cleaning the file with respect to any host or host link we have. Okay, so here you can find if anytime we have the part size will be more, in that case we need to do the cat dua. Here you can find we need to do the blend. So with respect to that, this particular part we have, so you can go and right click. Once you click right, you can find here you can have the cat dua command. You can click to the cat dua, and then you need to only check and run. You need to click. Okay, so it will be automatically run and it will be proceed. Then again you need to do over here the click. You can do over here with the click. You can do something like this, and with respect to that, you can find it going to be get deleted. Okay, you can run this. You can exit this. This is something like the part will be get anything, it will be get removed. Okay, as well as you can just check the part size might be get reduced with respect to this cat dua many times. Okay, so this is something like here you can find what we have seen. We have seen the publication with respect to that, then we have seen delete useless over here. Okay, again you can find what we have seen somewhere here is okay, we have seen publication, we have seen the delete useless. Okay, with respect to that we have seen adding formula. Then we also have seen desk. Okay, how we can use this particular desk to cat dua. Okay, so these are nothing but the command. It is important when we're going to be work into the any part component. So these are things we need to add check whenever you're going to be do these things. Okay,